still Prof. RSK, and I'm here to make maths easy and more interesting. Maths made easy is how we call this section. Welcome on board. Without wasting much time, today we want to look at factorization using the prime factor tree, or what we commonly call the factor tree. Now, how can you determine the highest common factor using the factor tree? In our previous class, we looked at factors. We listed factors. We also found highest common factors using the listing method. Today we want to look at how to use the factor tree to determine the factors. Join me as we roll. All right, so we have here our first example. So let's take 32. So with 32, we want to know how to use the factor tree. When we were kids, there was a song that we used to sing. Small zero, big zero. Hello, mommy, hello, papa. Taking care of me. 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 36. All for you. All right, so we're singing these songs just to remind ourselves of some few things that we have to learn when it comes to mathematics, multiplication, and then using the factor tree. You understand why I sang the song. So in the song we say small zero, big zero. Hello mommy, hello papa. Taking care of me. 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6, 6 times 6 is 36. All for me. So this was what we were doing to remind ourselves of multiplication. Okay, and here in the factor tree we have a little of multiplication. So I sang this song just to draw your attention to the multiplication sign. All right. So this is nothing but a childhood song I just remembered, and I wanted to sing with you. Right. So if we have 32 using the factor tree, don't forget to do small zero, small zero. So I have small zero, and then we are going to get a big zero very soon. Don't worry. So just follow me. Here, you look for two numbers that you multiply to get 32. I said two numbers. It could be any two numbers, but with the exception of one. Two numbers with the exception of one. So two numbers for 32, I'll take 2, making it very easy for myself. 2. So 2 times what will give me 32? So 2 times 15 is 30. 2 times 16 is what? 32. So I'll write my 16 here. Am I right? Yes, I am. All right. So without wasting much time, I have finished with this 0. I don't need it again. This one cannot be broken down again because it is a prime number. So I rest this one. Then I draw my 2 legs again. Okay, then I draw my 2 eyes, small 0. All right, then I ask myself 2 other numbers that are going to give me, that will multiply to give me 16. And once again, I prefer to go for 2. Once you realize that this is an even number, all right, even numbers are numbers that divide a given number without a remainder. So a number that 2 will divide without a remainder is an even number. Anytime they ask you to list even numbers, please start from 2 and add 2 to it. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. At another class or in our next section, we'll be doing even numbers and odd numbers. And you will see how simple even numbers and odd numbers could be. You start from 1 for odd number, and then you add 2 to it. So you get 3, plus another 2, you get 5, and that is an odd number. In our next section, we'll go into detail. For now, we are looking at the factor tree. So we have 16. I take 2 times a certain number will give me 16, and the answer is 8. So 2, 8 is 16. All right. So this is another prime number. I can't break it down again. So I'll go for the composite number. A composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors. Okay. It has more than 2 factors. So 8 has more than 2 factors. 1 and 8, 2 and 4, more than 8. So without wasting much time, let's look at 2 again. 2 times a certain number will give us 8. So what is that number? The number is 4, right? So once again, 2. And then we break this one down. And then we have 2 times 2 giving us 4. So if you want to write the factor of 32, or you want to write the factors of 32, so you say 32 equals 2 here times 2 here, another 1 here, another 1 here, another 1 here. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 32. When you multiply this and you don't get 32, you check the work that you have done again. This is Maths Made Easy with Prof. RSK. Let's look at our second example quickly, and then without wasting much time, we can proceed from here. So our second example, we are looking at 24. All right. So 24, 2 numbers. Okay. 2 and 12. This time I'm going to move a little faster. 2 numbers again. 2 and 6. 2 numbers again. 2 and 3. Making the factors of what? 24. So I'm going to keep 24. That is 2 times another 2 times another 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3 times 3. That is our answer for 24. All right. I want you to try more examples on this, perfect it, and then we can look at how to determine the factors of 2 given numbers using the factor tree. So please solve more examples, okay, using the following numbers: 64, 48, 32, okay, 100, 50, 15. I hope you are writing them. 81, 20, 32. All right. So I want you to solve this one and write your answers in the comment section. Just write your answers in the comment section. You just type it there, and then I'll review it, and then I will give you a thumbs up when you are able to score everything. On this note, we call it a day for Maths Made Easy.